Hey, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 25, can you believe it? 25 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page for anybody and everybody to ask him questions, and these are the answers straight from the yak's mouth. Today, we have 5 great questions and the answer. Question 1, non-alcoholic champagne. Second one, I missed the ship. Where's my stuff? What about laundry? And a special request for laundry on the ship? Heated pools and sail and sign accounts. Question 1, non-alcoholic champagne. There's some folks that were on a transatlantic cruise and they were getting non-alcoholic champagne by request only from the Alchemy Bar. And they were wondering, why isn't it everywhere? John said, well, yes, it's back. It's now available on almost every ship at every Alchemy Bar. So if you like the non-alcoholic drinks, then go to the Alchemy Bar and they have them there ready for you and other spirits of non-alcoholic. So you can get a mixed drink, taste like you're having the alcohol, but there's no alcohol in it, but it is at the Alchemy Bar. There is NA beers at quite a few bars throughout the ship. If you miss a ship from port, what does security take from your room? Well, let's put it easy. They're not going to pack for you. So most everything stays there. They're going to look for just the essential. They will grab your passport, your money, and any medication they can find. And of course, it's not just like some person's in there randomly rummaging through your stuff. The head of security or somebody from security will be there with whoever else is there grabbing just your essentials. So hope you took some extra clothes off the boat. Sorry. This one was actually kind of interesting. I don't use the laundry. Liz don't use the laundry service on the boat, but they asked, when you send your laundry out, can you request cold water to wash and low heat to dry? They were trying to settle a debate in another Facebook group, which will remain unnamed, obviously. John's answer, yes, you can. Just tell your stateroom attendant, or you can leave a little note pinned to the bag and they will wash it to what you ask. So, great question, because I know I actually offered Liz to do laundry today and she's like, no, because she knows I'm going to shrink everything and this would be a bib on me right now, not a shirt. Question 4, are the pools on the Carnival Legend heated? And Jacinta said, yes, they do, but mostly they're heated on the Alaska sailings. So obviously you're out looking at that beautiful country, which we hope to do one day, and you want to jump into a nice pool to kind of feel like you're in the islands, they do actually heat them on the Legend. Last one. My husband and I were having trouble finding our statement from our sail and sign account. Where can I get this? John said, it's easy. Here's the link. It is. Just kidding. We will post in the description the link. So if you've ever lost your paper on the way home, or you did some late night charges, they didn't get it to you in time, and you want to get your sail and sign account in detail, maybe when you're sober, you can count how many drinks you had. If you bought the drinks package, the cheers package, you can absolutely get it. We are going to post that link below. Thank you everybody for watching episode 25 of Yakety-Yak. We appreciate you.